Hello, I'm Chris from TechSpert, and today we're going to be checking out the NReal Air. Some snazzy AR glasses that aren't much bigger than your average everyday specs. They are proper lightweight and they fold up and slip right into your pocket bag wherever you want to shove them. But despite that diminutive design, the NReal Air serves up an IMAX style cinematic experience wherever you roam, ideal for movie fans and gamers. You can grab yourself a pair of NReal Air glasses here in the UK via Byyyyeeee for 399 quid, and they're now available stateside. I'm going to whip them on out the box, show you what they're all about, and a massive thanks to NReal for sponsoring this video. Cheers! So first up, what do you actually get in the jazzy purple box? Well, of course, you've got yourself the NReal Air glasses stuffed into a handy carry case. It feels like a proper solid carry case, and if we whip that open, inside you've got your NReal Airs. And also, cunningly concealed inside of that case is the cable for hooking up to your smartphone. You've got a manual which tells you how to set up and get going with your NReal Air glasses. You've also got yourself an official cleaning cloth, a light shield for blocking out sunlight, and some extra components to adjust the fit of the NReal Air to suit all face shapes and sizes. Now, the NReal Air glasses weigh just 80 grams and they are designed to fit pretty much any kind of head size and shape, even big old slap heads like mine. I found they don't press down on the bridge of your nose or drag down your ears either. There's no pressure anywhere involved, so they are comfortable to wear for hours at a time. And they also come with a handy frame that can fit prescription lenses, so you don't need to wear your normal glasses as well as the NReal Airs, which would make your face a very busy place indeed. And no, if you're wondering, there's no actual built-in battery here on the NReal Airs because they are so light and compact. Instead, they draw power directly from your smartphone. So at least you don't have to worry about keeping these things charged as well as your blower. Now, to start enjoying your NReal Air glasses, what you'll need is the bundled cable and also a compatible smartphone. You can find a full list of compatible smartphones on the NReal website. Here in the UK, this includes a handful of Oppo, several Samsung Galaxy smartphones and some Sony Xperias, but the list will of course change depending on which country you live in. So in the US, there's a lot of support. Now, the port is actually cunningly hidden right here at the very tip of the left arm on the NReal Airs. So just plug one end of the cable into there and bung the other end into your smartphone. You'll then be prompted to open the Nebula app, which is where you'll access all of your content. But if you want, you can have Nebula automatically open as soon as you connect your glasses, so you don't have to mess around. Now, your first port, of course, should be MR Space, a nifty 3D interface that gives you fast access to all of your AR goodies. It's a nice, simple, straightforward UI, but it looks rather snazzy with its 3D icons, all of that shenanigans. You can fully customize the NReal Airs with various settings and toggles, and you've got fast access to a load of popular online content like YouTube. And the good thing is that even when you're using the glasses, you're still fully aware of everything that is going on around you. You're not completely cut off from reality like you are when you're wearing VR glasses, for instance. Not many apps are currently supported in this mode, but I do love how you can multitask with more than one window, resize and moving stuff about. And I do love the privacy they offer up as well. No one else can see what you are browsing at any given time, unlike if you had a laptop sat there in front of you. I could be staring at anything right now and you'd be none the wiser. And NReal has chucked on a couple of bits of its own, including the nifty cycling app, which can simulate biking your way through all kinds of lovely picturesque locations. It's a bit more motivational than just pumping away on your exercise bike while staring at the garage wall. If anything was likely to convince me to actually get off my arse and do some exercise, well, it's possibly these things. And NReal has said that it will be expanding the Nebula environment to include more apps and services in the future. Alternatively, you can simply cast content direct from your smartphone if you just want to kick back with a movie or your favourite game. The NReal Air boasts dual Sony Micro-OLED displays which pump full HD visuals right at your peepers with 49 ppd, that's pixels per degree. Slap these bad boys on your face and it's like staring at a 130-inch screen that hovers conveniently in front of your face. So forget that widescreen telly box that's sat in your lounge. With the NReal Air, you'll be able to enjoy a truly immersive full view experience, no distractions and no compromise either. That picture quality is impressively crisp, whether you're relaxing with some cinematic shenanigans or smacking hill goblins right in their ugly mush with a whopping great club thing. Contrast is just as sharp with deep blacks and rich, natural looking colours. And you also have eye care certification from TUV Rhineland. So the NReal Airs are very easy on your peepers. You shouldn't get any kind of eye fatigue, even if you're using them for an extended period. And yeah, NReal has kindly bundled that light shield as well for blocking out the rest of the world as if you were wearing standard VR glasses, ideal if you want full immersion. So the picture is pretty bloody great, but the audio hasn't been ignored either. The NReal Air serves up two impressively powerful open-air speakers which pump out some rich, deep bass. They're great for enjoying movies and games, although anyone stood right next to you will also be able to hear. So for a proper bit of privacy, you'll definitely want to hook up some headphones to your smartphone as well. And we're not just talking total privacy here, we're talking total immersion as well. You'll be completely oblivious to everything going on all around you. Your kid could be screeching and gesticulating wildly just inches from your face, demanding snacks, and you'll be none the wiser. Ah, bliss. So yeah, with the NReal Air, it really is like having your own personal portable cinema stashed right in your pants. As I mentioned before, you can grab them right now direct from EE here in the UK. And what do you guys reckon? It'd be great to hear your thoughts down in the comments below. Please do poke, subscribe and ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech, and have yourselves a ruddy, wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everyone. Love you.